Hi friends, it's Lisa back with a new process video. This layout I created for DCWV at Die Cuts with a View, and they have amazing paper stacks. So if you're looking for cool papers with like different themes and cool pattern papers, you should check out the DCWV patterned paper stacks. This one is called Pumpkin Patch, and I wanted to create a wreath using a lot of pumpkins. There were 3 different pattern papers with 3 different kinds of pumpkins. So I decided to use all 3 of them and just to cut out a lot of pumpkins. And as you can see, I have pumpkins like these ones with the white background, and then I have these ones that are shiny, that have this orangey yellow background. So you have this line, this yellow line that I left around, and then I have the last ones that are they were on the black paper, so they have black lines on the background, or on the like the lines that go through the pumpkins. They are black, but there I didn't want to have the black going around the pumpkin, so I didn't leave the black as a border around, so I just cut that off. I have those 3 different kinds of pumpkins, and then I wanted to have something cute, of course, on my layout, and I used Doodlebug cut files. And they are squirrels, and they are so cute. So I cut them out using American Crafts and DCWV papers, and this is also a paper from the same paper stack. So I used this paper because I thought that it will look very cool. I like the color, I like the texture, but the only thing that I regret at the end is that you see that the lines aren't straight, and they like go in all directions, and it's like you have a print of some kind of tissue or some kind of fabric, and at the end it really looked a little bit weird because it wasn't very straight. The lines weren't straight, and no matter at which angle I took the photo, it looked like the paper was warped really bad, which it was a little bit, but not that much. So, and I regretted that at the end. I should have gone with the wood grain, but yeah. I started by using some gesso and then using my gelatos to create this wreath. So this base for my wreath, I wanted some color, and I wanted to add some pink, and you may think that this pink really doesn't match at all, and you're totally right, but sometimes I really like to add this bright pink to stuff, and at the end you will see I will add some more pink details, and it will come together. I think that if you put some things from the same color, it will always match somehow. It will really come together. And the wreath, the base, wasn't really thick enough, so I added some more, and I added this peach color, the pink color, and then this teal blue color. Then I let it dry a little bit, and while it was drying, I adhered my cute little squirrels on white paper and I cut them out, leaving a white border, as I almost always do. So then I took my tacky glue and I put a lot of glue on the background or on the base, and then I started attaching my pumpkins. I went with this style of pumpkin first, so with the white background, and then I used these shiny ones, and at the end I used some with the black lines. And I always do it like that, category after category, because you don't really need to think about which one to use next. You just go with the first one, you distribute them almost evenly, and then you go with the second style, and so on. And that's a lot easier. As you can see, I'm also adding some leaves. So I cut the leaves out from one of the papers too, and they are also with that shiny paper. They were very shiny, and I really like that. It's a little bit difficult at the end to take photos of things that are shiny, but it was okay. So, and I think the little squirrels turned out so cool, and they give the layout the final touch, I think, because just the pumpkins wouldn't have been enough. And this little paper pad that I'm using there is also from DCWV. It's 6x6, and it's called Fall. I'll check it out, and then just leave the link down below if you want to check that out. I don't remember. Fall something. And it's Thanksgiving themed, I think. Then I'm adding some foam tape to my photo, and I created a mat for my photo using different scraps of papers, as I almost always do. Then I'm attaching my cute little squirrels with foam dots, and there you can see I am punching out pink flowers. I'm using an EK Success punch, and it punches out 4 different flowers, and I think that's very cool. So I went back to that pink, so it's a little bit a brighter pink and a more light pink, and I punched out the flowers, and at the end, as you can see, that the flowers match really well because you have this pink color going around the whole thing. So it's very cool. Then I use some older Chamel enamel dots, and these are from not Belleville, what? Bo Bunny. Sorry. They are enamel dots from Bo Bunny, and they are black and pearl colored, and I'm using them on the flowers. And I don't think, I'm using also a few ones from Chamel, from that Chamel sheet that you saw on the right there. And I'm just scattering them around a little bit. Then I come in with some white paint, and I didn't want to use my acrylic pen because the color is not really it can't really manage where they go, the splatters, so I used my brush, and that went a lot easier, just to have control of everything. And then for my title, I'm using American Crafts stickers, and I don't know which collection they are from. I just have a whole bunch in my stash, and I just wanted some black ones to come back with the black of the flowers, of the centers of the flowers, and some black also I had going on in my photo. So yeah, I wanted to have it black. And these are some ephemera pieces from the newest collection from Amy Tangerine, which is called... I'm not that good with names. But yeah, that's the final layout. I hope you enjoyed the whole process. Let me know. Have a great day. Bye.